you have to apply to Candina if you want to have a long-term career, passenger and ro-ro cargo ships with social security. Salary too low. In many companies, it is below 3,000 euros. Some, of course, it is above, but those are not having to sail very close to your family, embarking, disembarking in Barcelona, Valencia, for example. Then these ships, they do have Wi-Fi, so not only you're not going to be embarking South Indian Ocean and also Pacific, but here you're going to be close home, also with the Wi-Fi, and the length of the contract is going to be 4 months maximum as AB. Many companies ask you to have 6 months contracts, and they have no social security, flag of convenience. Here this is 3,000 euros net plus social security, and you don't need English. Also, the ships are in excellent, very good condition. They have maximum 15 years of age, and these ships, they have 37,000 tons ro-ros and 67,000 tons passenger ships. So it's like mini cruise type. Is 22 of the first and the later is 55. Total 77 ships. So they are in very good condition. The cabins, and I told you the Wi-Fi, local, and so on. There is no delay in the salaries because this company is huge. Europe's biggest company. So no problem about, am I going to get paid the first 5 days of the month? Of course, yes, you are going to get paid. And of course, you have huge possibilities of promotions. If you are a B, for example, willing to be a third officer, you can join this company now today. Not expect the company to put you as junior officer. Why? Because you need to know Italian basic language. Language on board is not English, it's Italian. Italian full crew, Italian flag, Italian collective bargaining agreement, 150 pages, enjoy it, and therefore you need to just go step by step. Join the company as AB. After 2 contracts, you can really promote. Same oilers, you can apply 3,000 euros as AB or oiler and then go up. Then once you go up, you will think, oh well, these 3,300, 3,400, the fourth engineers and the third officers is not so much, but you need to show that you are competent. Operations in Italian language, and these manuals and so on, it is in Italian. Then also, it's a very good communication company, direct communication we have with Italian ESG, corporate social responsibility. It's a very stable financially company, so no problems about tomorrow going bankrupt, being absorbed by another company, and so on. This is the biggest company, and then also it's equality. If you are AB, if you are a woman, if you really want to have equality on board, because the cabins are reduced and because the company is so big, you have this opportunity. Like and subscribe, and then you don't need English. Thank you very much. Bye.